The Londoner is the first and only super boutique hotel in the world located in London's Leicester Square. It's an impressive building providing 5-star luxury accommodation and innovative curated experiences.
We came across LiDAR because it presented an opportunity for us to be able to provide the security that we needed and also allow natural operations to take place around it, so we could be really refined about how we use that and deploy that across these areas.
When the alarm is triggered by someone reaching over and breaking the beam, we receive an alert in the security control room. An officer is then deployed to the location. We can mirror that with CCTV to give further information to that officer attending. At the end of a shift, bar staff arm the LiDAR system by simply turning a key. This gives us the confidence knowing that our bars are secure.
LiDAR's been a great success for us in terms of its ease in which it integrates with our current security systems. It's a very simple process to install and set up, and it works really well for us operationally.